Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, and now we're here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of February 2025, our system has categorized TQQQ as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8.04. Now let us examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has faced a loss of 37.67%. This equates to an average loss of 1.30% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the bottom of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor, set at $48.33, is breached, it will initially signal a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 28.67% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -31.47% to +5.59%. In the context of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.30%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 21.30% to 137.13% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $61.01 and $119.27. Our latest daily update for TQQQ presents the headline, "Is TQQQ ETF still a buy?" After falling 16.07% on Thursday, the TQQQ ETF price declined by 16.07% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, dropping from $59.93 to $50.30. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 7.41%, ranging from a low of $50.12 to a high of $53.83. The price has experienced significant volatility during this period, with an overall loss of 18.34% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased by 25 million shares on the last day despite the declining prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 138 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $6.95 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $48.80. Currently, the price sits at 46.37% or $43.49, below the 52-week high, and 69.1% or $112.49 below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $162.79. Recent commentary from JP Morgan strategists indicates that the current correction in U.S. equity markets, including exchange-traded funds like TQQQ, may be nearing an end. If inflows into these funds continue, it could signal a recovery and positively affect TQQQ's stock price in the short term. Despite this optimism, concerns about high valuation risks still loom large. Analysts caution against leveraging TQQQ at this moment, citing high volatility and the elevated volatility index, suggesting that while the potential for growth exists, the risks associated with this strategy are substantial, especially during market fluctuations. Furthermore, the Nasdaq's recent performance has generated mixed signals. While the Nasdaq 100 recently hit an all-time high, the underperformance of major tech stocks, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, and existing valuation concerns remain critical factors. Long-term holders must navigate the dual-edged sword of high rewards versus significant risks, including negative compounding. As TQQQ celebrates its 15th anniversary with over $25 billion in assets, it's essential to recognize that while this exchange-traded fund has historically outperformed its benchmarks, recent downgrades reflect growing caution in an unpredictable investment climate. Investors should remain vigilant as market dynamics evolve, balancing potential gains against inherent risks. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The TQQQ exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $58.45 and $68.90. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 25.27%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.11. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the exchange-traded fund could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets, only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss in place. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ presents several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell recommendation since our last analysis. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we anticipate TQQQ will open higher by $1.12, starting at $51.42. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.